Hi, welcome to Tiny RV Cooking. Today I'll be making crock pot beer chicken taco salad along with cilantro lime vinaigrette. But first, if you like the content of this video, please like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell. I'll be putting out new content every Monday and Wednesday. Let's get cooking. The ingredients we're going to need for cilantro lime vinaigrette are cilantro, lime zest. I'm adding the lime zest just to give us a little extra. It's probably half a teaspoon. Lime juice, Dijon mustard, honey, salt, garlic, white wine vinegar, and olive oil. Let's get assembling. You can put all these ingredients in a blender, a food processor, or I'm going to use an emergency blender. So I have a candy jar. I'm going to add my white wine vinegar. I'm going to add my olive oil. If you do this in a day in advance and you put in your refrigerator, the flavors will meld and get even better. But I forgot to do that, so we're doing it this day. Today we're gonna eat it. Garlic. Our cilantro. Oops. A wide mouth jar would probably be better. But you use what you got. Salt. Lemon juice, lime juice, I mean. If you don't have, you can always use fresh, but I don't think it really matters in salad dressing. Here's a tip if you have not seen it. To get a honey out of here, all you do is got to spray it a little bit with some oil. And you just dip your honey, it just comes right on out. Sometimes you have to do it more than once when you have a lot of honey. But as you can see, it just pours out. I don't know if you can see it, but there is nothing in here. My honey is a little thick, so I'm going to spray it as I go along. And our Dijon mustard. Use my emergency blender or not. Ooh, I need something. I'm pouring it in this one, it should work. Scrape all the good stuff out. Okay, this fits now. I'm gonna put it on high. You want to blend it until it merges all together. There. It's a little sweet. Put our lid on the refrigerator till we have our chicken salad. I forgot to add my lime zest, so I'm going to add that now. Then I'm just going to stir it together. There, all done. Now we're going to put this in the refrigerator and get started. Next, we're going to get started on our taco chicken beer salad. Hi, I forgot to mention I found this recipe on sweet peas and saffron. I'll leave the link down below where you can find the recipe. The ingredients we're going to need for the beer crock pot chicken is chicken, We only use chicken tenders in our house, so I have chicken tenders. I am doubling this recipe because it is a great recipe. You can make nachos out of it. You can make chicken tacos out of it. You know, when you have family members that don't always, not everybody eats a salad, it's great to find a recipe you can do multiple things with. So I decided to double it because I know some of my family members are going to want nachos and others are going to want tacos. Then there's some who are going to want the salad like I do. So got the chicken. We're going to need pepper, salt, and chili pepper. I kind of dropped the dish a little bit sideways, so it looks messy, sorry. And we're gonna need diced green chilies. You only need 1 can, but like I said, I'm doubling it. And your beer. Let's get assembling. I like to poke my chicken. Don't go crazy with it. Chicken is really bland, but I find when you poke it, it gets some of the flavors to it. But don't, like I said, don't go crazy. Just put little pieces in, a little around here, a little here, a little there, just to get it through. Okay, I think I got all the chicken. We're going to add our chicken. We're adding chicken to our crock pot. We're going to add our beer. I'm going to add all my seasoning. So I'm hoping the camera looks good. I'm doing this is like a 22-foot camper, so basically everything's on tripod. So I hope you can see everything. I'm learning how to do camera placement. As I grow and learn, you'll be watching me grow and learn. So please do like, subscribe, and share. As time goes by, you'll see me get better and better, and you'll enjoy all the great recipes I make. I do have some that I do make myself, not all websites. Let's mix this together. So we're gonna put the lid on, and then we're gonna put it on low for 3 to 4 hours. I don't think mine's just gonna take that long. My breasts are really tiny and thin. But so I'm gonna check it in 3 hours. I'll see you in 3 hours. Okay, it's been 3 hours since we put our chicken in our crock pot. Let's take it out, let's see if it's ready to shred. It is so soft and it's just shredding so easy. So we're gonna take this out and shred it all up and get it ready for our salad or tacos or nachos or whatever you're into. Okay, we're gonna take our chicken out and we're gonna shred it up. You can shred your chicken with a mixer if you choose to, but I don't like the way the consistency is. It's just too, I don't know, smooth. Wait a minute. I like texture and it just doesn't have enough. Things for the salad we're going to need is corn. I use canned corn, little can, and we're going to fry it with some tequila lime seasoning. Black beans that I had already made, so using leftovers. Great time to use leftovers. Tomatoes, red onions, cheese, chips. I have tequila lime chips, and your salad. Let's fry our corn up. I've been heating up my pan with a little bit of olive oil for just a little bit. The burner is on 5. I don't want it too high because it will pop. Not too much oil. Again, it will pop. We're going to add a little bit of tequila lime. That's perfect. If you want to add a little more, if you like yours stronger, add more. Add less if you don't want it too strong. I'll put it in the description down below, my modification and how much I use. Basically, I use 3 shakes. Turn it up now, since I got it going, to 8. You just want to get like a little golden to it, like kind of like a chard look. So it's ready to take off. Now it's time to assemble our salad. And now for the fun part. And now we get to try our salad. So good. That dressing that we made earlier, the cilantro lime dressing, really complements this very nicely. The sweetness of the honey goes really good with the beer of the chicken we did. The tequila lime corn, everything just really blends well together. It's a very simple recipe to make. We were done not even that long, and most of the time it was in a crock pot. So just put it in, forget about it, come back 3 to 4 hours, depending on how big your breast is. If you like the content of this video, please like, subscribe, share, and ring the bell for new notifications. I'll be putting out new content every Monday and Wednesday. Stay tuned to see what I make next. And let me know in the comments what would you like me to make next time in my tiny kitchen. See you next time. Bye!